Today we're going to be showing you the ATS VFR 3000 and 4000 turbo lineup for your 6.7 Dodge Cummins. These are the ATS VFR 3000 and 4000 turbos for the 6.7 Dodge Cummins. Now, the ATS VFR turbos for the 6.7 Dodge Cummins, these are 100% new turbos. They are 100% new, no remanufactured parts on the turbo. The actuator itself is 100% new, and really nice thing about ATS, they've got a bench testing system for the actuators at their facility. Each one of these actuators is tested before it goes on to the turbo, so you know that you've got a fully functioning, ready to go turbo when you purchase this. So they offer these in two different flavors. They've got the 3000 and the 4000. Now the 3000 has got a 60mm compressor on it, 70mm turbine. It's going to support you up to about 500 horsepower. So this is really the charger for you stock guys, to you really lightly tuned guys that are towing and you just want something that's super quick spooling and a lot of fun to drive. Your Aurora 4000 VFR is a little bit more performance minded. Now this has got a 64mm compressor on it, 70mm turbine. This will support you up to 600 horsepower and above with the right modifications to the truck. A lot of fun to drive, still quick spooling, but it's going to make a lot more top end in the 4000 offering. Now, they offer these turbo lineups in the 3000 and the 4000 flavor for the 2007.5 to 2012s, the 2013 to 2018s, and the 2019 and ups. Now the 13 to 18s and the 19 and up chargers have an EO number, so these are good to go to ship into California in both the stage 1 and stage 2 turbo as well, which is a really nice feature of the turbos. These are both chargers work with emissions 100% intact. No modification needs to be done to the truck, hence these being a drop-in charger both on the 3 and the 4000. These turbos, again, with ATS, you know, you always get a phenomenal warranty. 3-year unlimited mileage on both of these chargers. Now, as far as the nuts and bolts of it, the unison ring in these chargers is a 3/16 stainless steel, and it's just a better mousetrap to keep you from having warpage, so you don't have to worry about actuator binding up on you with soot buildup or whatnot. This is 100% maintenance free the way they've got this set up. It's also got a little bit larger vane pack in it, so it's got a little bit better stopping power when you're with your exhaust brake functionality. And just everything that goes on that's usually high failure as far as these chargers go. ATS has made a lot of updates to this, so you don't have to worry about anything going on in the inner workings of the turbine housing and the vane system and the unison rings on these. The center section and the turbine housing are both HSM, and the turbine housing actually has a high temp coating on it to keep it from heat soaking any other parts of your engine and keep the heat inside of the turbine housing where you need it to make the energy. But again, the 3000 60mm compressor, 4000 has got the 64mm compressor. This is your stock and lightly tuned guy. This is your performance guy on the 4000. 100% drop in, great warranty, built on a brand new turbo. EO numbers for you Californians on 13s and up. This is a really nice turbo consideration for you if you're looking for something for your 6.7 Dodge Cummins. So if you have a question about ATS or any ATS turbos, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.